What's up everybody, it's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're just doing a quick unboxing and comparison of two different stocks we have in from B5 Systems. I myself have had to research this online, knowing the difference between these two. We have the SOPMOD and the Bravo stock. So let's go ahead and get these out of the package, show you the differences between the two, and that way hopefully it'll help you decide which one you want to get. So first things first, let's get them out of the package, which there is not a lot of packaging to this. You just pull the one stock out, and then we'll go ahead and pull the other stock out, and we'll leave the papers here for now to show the difference. So on the left here in the multicam is the Bravo stock from B5 Systems, and on the left over here is the B5 Systems Enhanced SOPMOD stock. So again, let's talk about what the differences are. For starters, on size length, you can see that the Enhanced SOPMOD is a little bit longer and also a little bit wider as far as girth on top here. On the rear then, they have what looks to be the same sized rear rubber butt pad. Both of them do have QD mounts right here where you can attach a sling, and that's on either side there. One thing to note that if you get the normal SOPMOD, so not the enhanced version, it's like the government contract version of it, it does not have the QD spot here. It's just a smaller hole. So do note that. If it says the government contract one, you probably don't get that QD point. The way these are adjusted once you get them on a stock is basically the same, but they just have a little bit different style levers here. So all you have to do for this one is push it, and you can slide it on the tube, push, slide on the tube. And same thing for this one, push, slide on the tube, push, slide on the tube. However, the biggest difference is on the Enhanced SOPMOD. As you can see these two little guys here, and these are actually waterproof tubes for you to put batteries or whatever else you want. And the way they work here is you can turn it. So I'm gonna turn it so that way that's not locked in there. And then from here, you have this rear spot. You can actually push the entire tube out if you want. So here's your tube. And then from here, you can go ahead and remove that cap, insert, your batteries, and look at this, you got like a double O-ring there. So I'm gonna guess this is waterproof or watertight. And then when you're ready, you can pop that back on and then reinsert that into your stock. And you can see it lines up there. Turn it back, and then now it's secure back in there. And the other one then is on this side. So again, same thing, you could push it, and then from the rear, push this with your thumb. It'll slide out, and then go ahead and pull it out. And then same thing, you can go ahead and put whatever you want in here. The best one I would say is if you have a EOTech, putting extra batteries in here is definitely a solid option. The other one of my buddies did was his rifle is SBR'd and he has a suppressor on the end. So he actually rolled up his tack stamps for both the SBR and the suppressor and tucked them in here. And since it's waterproof and tight, it's gonna stay in there, and he's got his paperwork for his rifle on him at all times. So not a bad idea. So that being said, is it worth having these two little compartments here? Well, that's up to you. Originally, this was the first version I got and absolutely loved it, but like as we talked about here, it is a little beefier, it is a little girthier. And if you're looking for something a little more lightweight, still with the B5, SOPMOD look, well then the Bravo option is gonna be a better choice. But again, to each its own. I use both of these on both my rifles. Honestly, right now I've been leaning more towards the Bravo one. But again, either of these are gonna be solid choices for your rifle. Either way, hopefully this video was helpful for you. Let me know down in the comments which one you like better. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks everybody.